Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the Unfolded English Podcast. I'm Alex.
Hi friends, I'm Lucy. So glad you're here with us today.
Before we start wherever you're listening from, morning, afternoon, or late at night, you're in the right place.
Yeah, no rules here. You don't need to focus too hard. Just listen and relax.
Lucy, can I ask how are you feeling today?
Honestly, pretty good. Not super energetic, not tired either. Just comfortable.
Yeah, I like those days. Not rushed, no pressure to do everything fast.
And that's kind of why today's topic came up.
Exactly, because we all have different rhythms.
Some people feel alive in the morning.
And some people really wake up at night.
So today we're talking about something very relatable.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Easy English, real conversation.
Let's start.
So, Alex, let's be honest for a second. For a lot of people learning English, the problem isn't wanting to learn.
Yeah, it's not about motivation anymore.
It's more like, when do you even have the energy?
Exactly. Some people tell us, I want to practice English, but my brain just won't work.
Especially in the morning.
Right. They're listening. They understand. But when it's time to speak, nothing comes out.
Or the opposite. At night, they finally feel awake.
But then they think, is it too late to practice now?
Yeah. And then there's that feeling.
You know what you want to say, but your mind goes completely blank.
You start a sentence, and suddenly you're scared to finish it.
You worry about mistakes. You worry about sounding silly.
And maybe there's no one to practice with.
So you just stay quiet. Again.
And a lot of listeners are probably thinking, wow, that's me.
Yeah. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone.
That's exactly why today's conversation matters.
Because it's not about studying harder. It's about when and how you use English.
Before we move on, can we ask you for a small favor?
Yeah, just a quick one.
If you're enjoying this episode, or if it feels a little familiar to you,
You can tap like or follow the Unfolded English Podcast.
and if you know someone who's also learning English,
Feel free to share this episode with them.
those small actions really help the podcast grow.
And they help more English learners find a calm, friendly place to practice.
Thank you for being here with us.
All right, let's keep going.
Let's start with the first idea. It's very simple. Don't look for the perfect time. Just choose your best time.
Best time. Not perfect time.
Yes, some people feel clear in the morning, some people feel relaxed at night. There is no right answer.
Yeah, a lot of learners think, I should practice in the morning, but their brain is still sleeping.
Exactly. So ask yourself one easy question. When does my brain feel a little open?
For me, maybe after dinner. Not too tired, not rushed.
That's a great time, because English needs energy, not pressure. Second tip, match English to your energy level.
Oh, I like that.
If your energy is low, don't force speaking. You can just listen. Very easy listening.
Like a podcast while walking?
Perfect. And if your energy is higher,
Then I can try speaking a little?
yes, short sentences, no long talks. When English fits your energy, your brain feels safe. Tip number 3. This one is important. Speak out loud, but very small.
Not a long speech?
No, Just one sentence. For example, I'm a night person, or I feel tired today.
Let me try. I'm more awake at night.
Perfect. That's enough. Speaking out loud trains your mouth. Even one sentence counts.
Yeah, it feels less scary when it's short.
Tip 4. Use your real life. Not textbook topics, not big questions.
So, not like, what are your dreams for the future?
No, too big. Talk about now. Your coffee, your mood, your day.
Okay, I'm sleepy, but this coffee helps.
That's perfect English. Real life English is easier to remember because it's already in your head. Tip 5, and this one really helps confidence. Repeat the same sentence, different days.
The same sentence? Again?
Yes, that's not boring. That's training. For example, I'm more focused at night.
I can say it today, and tomorrow, and next week.
Exactly. Repetition makes English feel familiar. And familiar means less fear. Last tip, very gentle one. Stop judging yourself. Start noticing.
Noticing what?
Notice when English feels easier. Notice when it feels hard. No good or bad.
So, instead of, I'm bad at English, I say,
I'm more tired in the morning, or I speak better at night.
that feels much kinder.
Yes, learning works better when you're kind to yourself. So remember, you don't need more pressure.
You just need the right moment and small actions.
Morning person or night owl both can learn English.
One easy step at a time.
Before we finish, let's talk about something important. Not English words, not practice time. Feelings.
Yeah, because for a lot of learners, English isn't hard. What's hard is starting.
Exactly. And Alex, what do you hear most from listeners?
Honestly, I'm scared to make mistakes. I hate my accent. I don't sound natural. I don't confident.
That fear is very real.
Sometimes I know the sentence, but I stop myself. I think, what if it's wrong? What if I sound silly?
Yeah, and if you're listening right now and thinking, that's me, we want you to hear this. Mistakes are not a problem. They are proof you're learning.
Every mistake means you tried.
And communication is more important than perfection. People don't need perfect English. They need your English.
And about accents.
Accents are not mistakes. They're stories. They show where you come from and how many languages you know.
So speaking with an accent is not something to hide.
It's something to be proud of. And remember, speaking bravely is more important than speaking beautifully.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing.
Little by little, one sentence at a time.
You're doing better than you think. All right. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Just to help everyone remember.
Good idea. Let's keep it simple. First, choose your best time, not the perfect time.
Morning or night. Your rhythm matters.
Second, match English to your energy. Low energy? Listen. More energy? Speak a little.
No forcing.
Third, speak out loud, but very small. One sentence is enough.
Short is safe.
Fourth, use real-life English. Your day, your feelings, your now.
Not textbooks.
Fifth, repeat the same sentence on different days. Repetition builds confidence.
That one really helps.
Sixth, stop judging. Start noticing. Notice when English feels easier.
Be kind to yourself.
That's it. Small steps. Real English.
And remember, morning person or night owl, you can learn English.
Before we say goodbye, we'd love to hear from you. Which tip do you want to try first? Or how many minutes will you practice today?
Yeah. Or you can just tell us your biggest English challenge right now.
No pressure. Just a few words are enough.
We read every comment. Really, every single one.
It makes us so happy to hear your thoughts. And it helps everyone feel part of this little English community.
So take a moment, drop a comment, and let's chat a little below.
We can't wait to hear from you. All right, friends, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening.
Remember, small actions, every day. A little bit of English adds up over time.
Yes, just one sentence, one short practice. It all counts.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, a like, a follow, or sharing it with a friend really helps.
We're so happy you're here with us. Keep going, be kind to yourself, and celebrate every small step.
We'll see you next time with another easy English conversation.
Take care, friends. Keep practicing. Bye for now.